Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 12, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. Seventh row also we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we already got 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 5. Eighth row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Fifth row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, two numbers are remaining 5 and 9. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining 3 and 7. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 8. 8th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the two cells. 10th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 9th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th grade, two numbers are remaining 5 and 7. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J, 7th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, under column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, column G, third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 7. Column I also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 2. Column H also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column G, we have 6. Third row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8. Column E, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.